Hey guys, so I decided to choose the Omar Khayyam Memorial Hole. So how I started is I went here, I went and reflect about a line, and I reflected the point T here. Oh, let's see, maybe I'm not doing it. Reflect the point T across this boundary wall here because I'm thinking the ball is going to need to bounce off this boundary line here. Oh, nope, doing it wrong again. Oh, well, I don't know if that did what I wanted it to do or not. Let's go back. All right, let's try that again. Reflect about a line for our boundary wall. We're going to reflect T across this boundary wall here. So maybe that would have worked. Then I created this segment from B to T because we know we have to hit that ball along that reflection point, and it has to be traveling straight at the reflection point for it to be following the law of reflection, right? Then I added this point in here where we'll bounce off the reflection wall. Then I put this segment to T to show that this would be the hole in one here. Then to show the angles here, we've got not that point. Sorry, we're gonna have these. Oh, not that point either. So we're gonna have this angle here. All right, so we know this angle has to be equivalent to this angle over here, right? So we're gonna do that too. We're gonna measure that angle. So we got 54.7A for both those there. Then we know that there is a normal line that's a perpendicular angle bisector of this angle here that the ball is traveling along. That's going to be our normal, right? So then we know also that this angle right here, this is going to be our incident angle. This is going to be our reflection angle. We know those also have to be equivalent. So we're going to have to throw a point down here on this line somewhere. It doesn't really matter where. And then we can see our incident angle there. And then our, wrong way. Then our reflection angle the other way. 35.22 on both, which is expected because we're using the angle bisector there. So those are equivalent. And then this just basically, this satisfies the law of reflection because this ball is traveling along this line. And we know that it's headed straight for this point of reflection that we created through reflecting T across this boundary wall here. And then the incident angle and the reflection angle are also equal. So it follows the law of reflection.